welcome to my channel. What the heck is going on here with my hair? I have somewhere to go. I'm going to this like women conference thing at church. Hope that I can stay awake and not be in pain. Some stuff just takes forever to work. But anyways, today is like a food review slash mukbang, so I hope y'all will enjoy that. Whoa. So I seen the fried pickles with ranch. I don't know if I'm gonna try that. I had to see. Then I seen the bacon wrapped jalapeno popper chips. That will be after these. You know, these were $2.50 at my local store, Stater Brothers, and they're 160 calories. And I just want to talk to y'all real quick. So yes, I'm starting back school soon. If y'all would want to see some, oh my gosh, this is so pizza. I don't know if I made a choice about getting these first. Sims 4. Smell like pizza, but. Okay, so I would give these 8 out of 10. You know, these are very, very good. So 8 out of 10 on these. Will I buy them again? Heck yeah. Okay, sorry about that. So, what was I saying? Yeah. Over the years, Lay's has come out with some interesting chips. They had these. They had some chips that tasted like coffee, like 6 or 7 or... I'm about to be at 10 years since out of the high school. So probably like 10 years ago, 9. They were very good. They had the beer and cheese recently. They had the crab ones. I've tried them on my channel. Oh my gosh, they taste so bad. Like, so bad. So bad. But, anyways. I want to talk about people, okay? If I go out of my way to say hi to you and you don't say it back, what, you got a problem? Huh? I'm trying to be friendly in this world where people are evil and mean and like doing weird stuff, and especially on Catfish, treating people bad, and you got some down girl like me trying to be nice to you and you say nothing and you gonna pretend like you saw it. That is effed up for real. Like, for real. So effing good. Whoever came up with this idea hit the mark with this. But that's not right. It ain't right at all. Also, ooh-wee. Okay, so I got a blister in my foot, right? I was feeling really bad earlier. I thought I was gonna faint. I was in Kohl's, you know, I had to do something in there. But I like Kohl's got cute stuff. Like, okay, I'm about to meet my friend's like ceremony, wedding, whatever, in October, right? And her colors are purple for the bridesmaids. But it's like a more like a casual ceremony, wedding, whatever. And purple is like one of the hardest colors to find, like a plain purple, because there's always like purple with something on it. What else? What else? What else? Mm. Mm. Your girl birthday coming soon, October 30th. Somebody about to be 27. When I think about it, I feel old. I mean, it's closer to 30. Like, time to get with it. Time to get with it. You know. Alright, don't just, let your life pass you by. Enjoy life. When I get back to school, can I have 2 bags of these, please? I don't know if I'm be making as many videos. And I did just start a vlog today. So, yeah. And, Friday's mukbang is a voiceover, I'm sorry. But your girl is really hungry. That beef was the best thing I've ever had from Flame Broiler. It was so freaking good. Tell Miss Rose thing sent you. But, yeah, that's all I had to really talk about. I want to talk about Sims real quick. Again, I know. But, I've really gotten into playing again. Again, I was supposed to be working on my butt. I haven't been, so, yeah. Oh yeah, by the time y'all are watching this, I'm probably am back in school. Because I have a Jimmy Dean one I want to put up too. Or, I call them put up the Jimmy Dean, Flame Broiler, and then this one. Oh, something else I've been into lately. I love Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid tastes good. Is it bad that I want almond joy right now? Like, I really do. I want to save some more for later. Because I might want some. Play some Sims for a little bit. Got all that to get ready later. But, yeah. This is it for the mukbang. These chips are so good. The next ones I want to try is the bacon wrapped jalapeno pepper chips to see are they any good. But that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.